welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple yet elegant winter wedding cake. I'm starting with a number 2 round tip, and in my piping bag I have royal icing. It is one of my favorite icings to work with, where I want to put the cornelli lace, which is basically just a bunch of squiggly lines. And I'll put that same decoration on all 3 layers. You've also noticed I'm only using half of a cake here. That's because I want to give you the design idea, but not spend so much time decorating a whole cake, since it's not going to be for anybody. It's just for decoration purposes, practice purposes, design ideas, and for a fun video for you to watch. After I have all that cornelli lace done, I'm going to pipe some lines straight down. So I'll attach it at the top and I'll kind of let the string drop so gravity will take it to a straight line. I'll do 7 lines in all. Then I'll take this slightly wet paintbrush and dab the ends of those balls to get rid of the pointies. Again, I'll pipe 7 lines here and use a paintbrush to flatten out those points. I'm going to do 3 of those here on this bottom tier. Oopsie, that one I did a little bit short, so I'm going to wipe it off and try it again. There we go. And now in the middle, I'm going to do a series of dots. I love dots for decoration. They're so elegant. I'm going to start with a big one and taper them down as they go toward the stripes. Again, with a wet paintbrush, I'm tapping those points down. I'm doing a small pearl border, not only to fill in the gap, but it adds a little simple, elegant design. And then on the middle tier, I'm going to do some strings. You can see that I've already marked how far I'm going to let the strings go. I'm just kind of counting as I let them drop, so they do the depth even. And there we go, and I'm going to do a straight line down here, just kind of to incorporate the lines on the middle tier and the bottom tier. And a little dot at the top of the swags. Pat them down with a wet paintbrush. On the top tier, I'm also going to do some swags. Again, I pre-marked it. But on this one, I'm just going to do a series of dots, large to small, going down the cake. I've also marked little pin marks where those dots are going to go. You can kind of see it in the video, because I wanted those as straight as possible as well. And another dot on top. I'll just make it slightly larger than the one underneath it. Pat it with my paintbrush. Well, on the top here, I'm putting this icing only to use as a glue to glue these little green leaves on there. You can use fresh flowers. These are plastic, just for the demonstration purposes, but it's really beautiful with fresh flowers also. A little green, a little white, and that's the only color flowers I'm going to use for this cake. On the bottom, I'm going to do a nice big bunch. And some flowers in the middle. And there we have it. It's simple, it's easy, but it looks so elegant, and it's perfect for a snowy white winter wedding. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do read all the comments, and I appreciate all the compliments that I have received. If you liked this cake, go ahead and check out the video I have here on the screen. It's a similar technique. I hope you like that cake as well. Until next time, bye!